Hey y'all, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to be installing this juicy passion twist, and they're really long as you can see. But anyways, if you want to know how I did this, just keep on watching. Alright yo, so I'm starting out with hair that's been stretched, and I've been wearing it in a band for quite some time. But yeah, so these are the products that we're going to be using. Okay, all right, so first things first, I'm gonna start out by just moisturizing my hair. Like I said, I've been wearing it in a band for a while, but I already stretched it a few days ago before installing the protective style. So I'm just making sure that I moisturize it, make sure that it's nice and ready for the protective style. And I'm gonna separate the hair. I like working in the back first before I do the front, so that's why I'm doing that. But anyways, I started with the back, and I really didn't care about straight lines and clean lines for the back. I was like, I'm gonna worry about that in front. But anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and pat the hair. I'm gonna be using Eco Styler Gel, Shining Jam, not Eco Styler Gel, Styling Jam to do that. And I'm doing the rubber band method, as you guys already saw. The back is already all done. I did that off camera, but yeah, I'm just doing the rubber band method right here, using using Shining Jam. Is how it looks like. As I already said, the front I made sure that the parts were much cleaner, but the back I was like, it doesn't matter, I just need to get the hair done. Okay, all right, so that's me, and this is the last one, but I just wanted to show you guys. So I'm just going ahead and pat the hair like so. Okay, and then just making sure that it's nice and clean. And that's what I'm doing here. And then I'm gonna take some Shining Jam, and put it all over the hair that I'm about to put a rubber band on. Okay, the section I'm about to put the rubber band on, and then using a rubber band, just doing what it do. And that's what I'm doing here. And when I do my hair, I always make sure that it's not too tight, because I want to be able to sleep at night. I don't know about you, I need to be able to sleep at night. I don't want to feel like, dang, I just had my hair done and it really hurts. No, not doing that. Okay, so that's the last one. Yay! And this is how the hair all looks after patting it and using rubber bands to get ready to install the actual passion twist. Okay, all right, and this is the back. I was just showing you guys again because it's not clean, like I already said, but the front at least has something going on. Okay, and that's what matters. All right, now yo, so this is the hair that I'm gonna be using. I got it from Amazon. I'll link it in the description box. But actually I was planning to do crochet braids, and then last minute I decided to do it this way. Okay, I was like, you know what, I'll just do individual. So that's what I'm doing. But that's the hair. It's so juicy, beautiful hair. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna unravel the hair. Like I said, I was gonna do crochet braids, so I'm gonna unravel this hair, and it's so easy to do it this way because the hair is already kind of easy to twist because it already has a pattern, because it was already twisted. But I ain't gonna lie, unraveling it is annoying as hell, and I feel like it took up so much time. But if you have the patience, then hey, go ahead and do that. That's what I did actually. And I was going on a trip two nights before that, so anyways, that's beside the point. But so I'm unraveling the hair, but I was using 2 braids, is it, per one section. So I wanted to be more thicker, more juicier, more thicker, more juicier, more juicy. Yeah, more juicy. That's the word. So I would unravel it, and then I'm gonna unravel another one and put it together. That's why that way it's a little bit, you know, fatter. I guess that's what I'm looking for. Like it's a little bit thicker, not the fatter, thicker. So that's one there, it's all done. And then I'm gonna take another one and do the same. See, I'm just gonna put them together like that and make sure that they match nicely, you know, and they're like, the length is like kind of, you know, on the same, even though it's not always gonna be like that. But hey, yeah, you just need to make sure that it just kind of is not off. Okay, it's not all the way off, because when you twist it, it's gonna be really long. One will be really long and really annoying, so we don't want that. And then we're gonna start installing the hair. So just like you do crochet, just put in the crochet needle into the hair, your parted hair, and then inserting the rest of the hair. It's really self-explanatory, guys, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch and see what I'm doing, okay, instead of just running my mouth. And then after I do that, I'm gonna put the shining gem all over the hair, and you know, I'll slither it. Like I'm gonna make sure it's all covered in shining gem or whatever styling product that you're using, whatever it is. Just make sure that it's in there, and then I'm gonna pat it. As you guys will see, I kind of switched up and just started patting it first, and then putting the Eco Styler. I don't know why I keep saying Eco Styler gem, but anyway, putting the shining gem. But that's what I'm doing, just twisting the hair. After it's patted, I'm gonna start twisting the hair. You know, one side goes one side and the other one goes to the other side, and we just start twisting. And like I said, it's really easy to use this hair. You don't even have to do much because it just flows. Like you're not even worried about the direction because of the hair and the way it already is. It just flows, and it's so much easy. The most annoying part is the unraveling if you want to use this hair. If you want to use this method, I think the most annoying part will be the unraveling part. But other than that, I feel like it's so easy to twist. Really, really easy. Alright, and that's the next one. I'm just show you again so you should see what I'm doing. As you can see here, I separated the hair before I put the shining gem. So I'm putting shining gem on one side and then putting it on the other side, and then I start twisting. And another thing about this hair was like it was really, really long, coming all the way to my butt. So it kind of took a while to twist. It's not a bad thing actually. I'm not complaining. It's not the bad thing. The only thing that was annoying was unraveling the hair, but other than that, it's not annoying. Next time I do it, I'll probably unravel the hair maybe the day before I start doing the hair. But no, I'm not complaining, like I already said. Yeah, so I'm just making sure I'm adding some shining gem as I'm going, you know, that way it blends into the hair and it's so much easier to twist that way. But yeah, that's what I'm doing, and I'm gonna show you guys one last time. Okay, one last time. and then you just start twisting. And like I said, you know, it's just easy. Like, I don't even know what to say, but it's really, really easy, guys. Yeah, so much easier to install. So much easier to install. All right, and then we're just gonna keep twisting until we're done, until we move on to the next one, which is the last one. Okay. Yeah, and then we are still twisting because it was long. And then we are all done. Yeah, finally all done. Okay, and this is how the hair looks, guys. It's really, really pretty. Look at that. Okay, I really love this hair, yo. Like, what? And this is how long it is. Look at that, so pretty. All right, we had to go put on some makeup for you guys so I can look like, you know, a decent person. But look at how long it is, so pretty, and it comes all the way to my butt, like I said. Yeah, and if you have any questions, comment below. Let me know what you think. This is just me patting the hair, so you should see how it looks. So nice, so juicy, and all that stuff. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll come back next time with different ways in which you can style the hair. So make sure you subscribe, okay, so you don't miss my next video. Bye, y'all.